And this is my makeup vanity currently. So as requested, I'm going to be showing you guys my entire vanity. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start in this side. So first of all, I have this picture right here, and we have a gold rose over there. And then I have this drawing that my sister did for me when I was pregnant. Super cute. I just have it over there. And then I have this mirror because I know for a fact that most of us have a mirror like this. It's a must. I have this this little container. It's an apple, as you guys can see. It's so cute. I got this at the dollar store, and I just keep a memory card in there, just little things that I could just keep away. And then I have my everyday brushes right here. These are the ones that I usually use when I do my makeup. I have more, but I don't have it here. So yeah, that's that. And then I have a cute little picture right here. This is my baby girl. So I just keep that there. So then I have this right here. My mother-in-law gave it to us when we got married, and I love it. So freaking cute. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the day that we got married. And yeah, so cute. I just keep it there. And back here I have this cute little Christmas house thing that my sister gave me for Christmas, and I just keep a bunch of little like chocolates in there and candies. So yeah. And then right here I got all my beauty blenders. I actually washed most of them, and then I have some, like, what are these called for your hair? I just keep that there because I use this all the time when I do my makeup and hair, so I just have it there. And then I actually have a little sponge holder right here. I just have it there. And then in this drawer I keep all my glitters and my eyeshadow glitters. And then I have all the Stella what is this called, eyeshadow. These are the shimmer ones. I love these. I highly recommend them. And then I have all my glitters. As you can see, I don't really have a lot of glitters. And then the other one right here, I keep random stuff. Well, not really random stuff, but I have all my contacts in here. And then I have this what is this called? Lip scrub from Jeffree Star, which I hardly even use, but I just keep it here. And then I have my makeup removers right there. I have some of these what are these called? These right here, to shave your like mustache or like your eyebrows, you know. So I just keep that there. I got some bobby pins. I have this under eye cream. So yeah, so that's that. This is just the top, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my makeup. So I just want to mention to you guys that all the makeup that I own, I have collected throughout the years, and I feel like it's not a lot, but it seems like a lot, and I've been collecting it for like years. And honestly, I haven't bought makeup in like, it's been a while, to be honest. Like, yeah, just because I don't really need it, and I already have what I need. And some of the makeup that I have in my drawers I hardly even use. So yeah, anyways, right here I got all my eyeliners, mascara. These are actually liquid eyeliners. And then I keep all my oh, this goes right here. I have all my lip liners and eyeliners in here. So this is such a nice organizer because I use this like mostly every time I do my makeup. So yeah. And then I have all my setting sprays right here. The one that I always tend to use is this one. This one is the MAC Fix Plus. I usually use this one to wear my brush when I am using a shimmer, so I like this. And then to set my entire face, I actually like this one from Morphe. And yeah, I usually use all of them, but right here we have what is this called? Like a clean thing to clean your brushes. So when you're doing your makeup, you could just clean your brush and you're good to go. And then I keep some Q-tips back there. So yeah, this drawer I always use the stuff in there, so yeah. And then the next one, I have most of my eyeshadow palettes. I keep all my palettes right here, well, most of them. This is one that I just bought and I'm obsessed with. The colors are so freaking stunning. Let me open it for you guys. So this is how it looks, and it's so big. So yeah, and like I said, I hardly even buy makeup, but this one, it was a must, and yeah, I just had to get that one. Anyways, so right here I keep some of my old makeup palettes that I like own them for a couple years already. This one is a Carly Bible palette, and I have her new one, which is right there. Both of these are super affordable. You could get them at BH Cosmetics. So I got that, and then I got most of my Anastasia's Beverly Hills highlight palettes, and I got the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I got the Nikki Tutorial makeup palette, which I haven't used. I should probably use it. And then I got more highlight palettes right here. And then this one. This is an old one. I believe they don't sell this no more, but it's so good. And then I have another one right here. And then I have another Juvia's palette right here. A tar one, another tar one, and then my two favorite, which are, oh my god, which are the two Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palettes. I love these. I just love them. I always tend to use these. So yeah, that's that. And then in the other drawer, I do have more palettes. So I have the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. I have another one right here. This one is my favorite. And then I have the Jaclyn Hill bundle eyeshadow palettes right here as well, because I love her eyeshadows. So yeah, and then I have more Too Faced right here. And then I have the Naked palettes, if you guys remember. Oh my gosh, when I got these were actually my first makeup palette high-end ever, and I was just like freaking obsessed because I thought it was all that because I had a freaking expensive palette, and back then they were really popular, so I was super excited. But now I don't even use them. But anyways, I have another Juvia's palette right here. And I have another Anastasia palette right here. This one's actually pretty nice. I used to always use this palette. I love it. Well, it's so cute. And then I have another one right here. And then I have the Lorac Pro. This is, honestly, back then, I don't even know why I got it. It's like super neutral. Yeah, this is just like, wow. This is for a beginner. If you guys are trying to get to like into makeup, I highly recommend this palette. It's so neutral. It's like super simple. So yeah. And then I have another Anastasia palette right here. As you could tell, I really like Anastasia palettes and the Too Faced palettes. I have another palette right here. This one is by Urban Decay. And actually, I haven't used this palette in a while. It's so cute. Let me see. I love it. This is like a travel like must-have palette because it has a big mirror and it has all these beautiful colors. So yeah. And then I have another Anastasia highlight kit or glow kit or whatever you want to call it. And then back there I have this palette. I regret honestly buying this palette. I don't know what I was thinking, but this one is by Kat D. I don't know how I feel about this palette, but as you could tell, I hardly even used it. I'm probably gonna give it away to my family members. So yeah. And then I have 3 eyeshadow palettes from Morphe. So I just keep them back there. And so these 2 palettes are actually pretty new. This one I got it for Christmas, and then this one I got it for my birthday, I believe. So yeah, just have them right here. They're so cute. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, all the organizers that I have here in my drawers are from the dollar store. I highly recommend the dollar store if you guys are looking for organizers, because they have a bunch. So yeah. And in this drawer I actually don't keep no makeup. It's just mostly like products that I usually use. Like, as you could tell, it's just a little messy, but whatever. These are just for my face, like masks and stuff like that I actually need to use. So yeah, this is another one right here. Got this other one right here. This one I got at a Walmart. And then I got my moisturizer right here. And then my what is this called? I'm forgetting the name, but yeah, for your face. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. And then I have my extensions back there, which I hardly even use. Well, I don't even use them, to be honest. It's actually a pore vacuum thing for your pores. So yeah, I just keep that back there. So that's them. And then right here I keep most of like my stuff for recording. So I have this bag for my camera. I got this for vlogging and just like, you know, random things for camera stuff, you know, so nothing too crazy. And yeah, that's that. And then let me go on the other side. Right here I keep all my foundations and all my concealers. So yeah, these are my foundations. My favorite one is this one from the drugstore. This is like my my 3rd bottle. So I love this foundation. And yeah, that's that. So right here I keep most of my highlighters. And I keep some bronzers and blushes. More blush. Right here I have all my bronzers. Another. So yeah, right here is all my bronzers. So back here I keep all my other like palettes, small palettes. This one's beat up because I let my daughter play with it the other day. So yeah, I just have it there. And then I have this sleek highlight palette. I got this Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow. I have this Stila highlight. And then right here I keep all my primers for my face. So yeah. And then right here I have all, well, this is actually my favorite part. I keep all my bronzers, because honestly, from all the things that I have, I like collecting bronzers. I love bronzers. I don't even know why. I just like to collect them. And honestly, I have more bronzers than blush. And it's funny because I use blush like all the time, and I don't really have that much blush, to be honest. So yeah, anyways, I have these right here. These are all the palettes that I have right now. I have this one. This one's from Tarte. I have Marc Jacobs. And this one, which I don't even use. And I think my daughter did this. This one is my only brow palette that I have. So this one's by BH Cosmetics. So yeah, this is the only palette that I use to do my brows. So I just keep it here. And then I have this other one. This one is by Kat Von D as well. Why do I have two Kat Von Ds right here? What the heck? Oh, I forgot. One is actually a contour palette and the other one's actually the eyeshadow palette. Oh. Yeah, I need to switch this over to right here because I keep all my eyeshadow palettes right here. So I have this Morphe blush palette. Oh yeah, that one fell off. And then I have this other one right here, and then I have this Tarte bronzer slash blush palette. Let me open it for you guys. Oh, can't even do it. Okay, I can't, but yeah. And then back here I have another BH Cosmetics blush palette. I love this one, so I just keep them back there. And then I have this Vanity translucent powder. I have all my powders right here. The Mercier, Airspun, and then another contour palette right here. These are from Elf. These ones are actually blush, so I just have them there. And then last but not least, my eyelashes. Mommy. Hi, baby. Oh,
Mommy.
it's okay. So yeah, I love eyelashes. I will forever love eyelashes, even though they're a little pricey and so yeah. Anyways, I have all my lashes here. You can't really see them, but I just keep most of them right here. Well, all of them actually. So I got Huda Beauty. So yeah, I keep all my lashes right here. I have these right here. And then right here, I just keep these right here. These are small eyelashes, which I won't probably wear these. I just bought these because when once in a while when I do makeup on people, they usually like small eyelashes. So I just keep these right here just in case. And then I got more right here, more small eyelashes. And right here I have all the ones that I like. Let me open it. These are mostly like the ones I usually wear. This eyelash holder is by House of Lashes. So yeah, I have this here. And then I have another little box back here with eyelashes. So yeah, I just keep all my lashes right here. The last drawer, I have all my like hair stuff, like curling iron, just like random stuff. So yeah, I just keep all that right here. But yeah, I just keep that there. So I keep all my lipsticks right here. So I have a bunch of these right here. These are by Jeffree Star, some of MAC. So as you could tell, I love the Milani lipsticks. So I keep them right here. And then I have some old back then. They were super popular. These ones are by Wen Weil. Just keep them there. And then all my lip glosses, lipsticks, I have them right here. And yeah. Oh, and then I have this lipstick right here. This one, actually my mother-in-law gave it to me, and it's so freaking cute, and it's my favorite color, and I don't want to use it, but I already swatched it, and it's so freaking cute. This is my vanity. I will try and link everything down below for you guys. For you guys to go check out like the vanity set that I have. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.